Good morning. Yesterday night, the light went, and that's why our rendering is still going on. My laptop doesn't have a battery backup, and that is a small problem. Right, so let's make a quick coffee for myself. Today, the cycling is going to be a little tough. As per my friend, I have no idea. So he has said that there will be a lot of climbs, and I'm a little concerned, rather, or not exactly concerned, but what is the word to put? A little irritated and worried at the same time because I hate climbs. Like Rajesh Khanna hates stairs. So yes, my target is a place called Ponnani. That's 60 kilometers from here. So if the climbs are that high, obviously I won't be able to do 100. So might as well reach Ponnani. And Ponnani has a few options to stay. So yeah, that's one of the reasons I've chosen Ponnani, 60 kilometers, and hopefully we should be there today. The thing is, we're getting late. The time is 7:20 and we still have another half an hour to 40 minutes for the rendering to get over. So that is one small problem. Once that is done, I will be on my way. Till then, I'll have some coffee, and yesterday night I ordered fried rice, and also I'll have those things get ready by then. But the task is, after this happens, I also have to do the uploading part. So let's see how it goes. And my coffee is almost ready with extra sugar. Yeah, that's it. All right, see you on the road then.
I could not record the video while I started because there was no charge in the GoPro. That happens sometimes. If you don't power off the GoPro, what happens is, in the background it stays open. I mean, it stays on, and the power drains off in 1 or 2 hours. So probably that's what happened, and I had no battery. Anyways, yeah, the dreaded climb of Ramanattakara. The first one is over. I climbed for almost 15-20 minutes. The climb is high, but it's rideable. 90% of the climb I did on the cycle itself. I didn't get down, and the last part was too much, so I had to get down. And now I'm enjoying the slope. Time for another climb. The time is almost 10, and in all 15 kilometers have been covered, which I would say is a good thing given the n number of climbs which was present in the way. But the beauty about this climbs are these are manageable. It is high, but you can still push yourself and climb it even on a single gear cycle. On a geared cycle there should be no issue at all. The time is almost 11, and I have come off the highway to a road which leads to Tirur. Tirur is another town, and from there Ponnani is pretty close by. So we're almost done with 30 kilometers in 2.5 hours of riding. In 2.5 hours of riding, the slope is very steep and the road is narrow. I need to check the road. ചേട്ടാ തിരൂർ എവിടെയാ? തിരൂർ 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 എവിടെയാ? എവിടെയാ?
നേരെ പോകുന്നത് വൈലത്തൂർ എങ്ങാടി എന്ന് പറയും. അവിടുന്ന്
ആ, I am on the right path. 10 kilometers to Tirur it seems, and then from there another 15-20 to Ponnani. It's 11, so I should reach Ponnani by 2 at least. And if I feel a little more energetic, I may ride a little more. But let's see. Right now it's complete slopes, downward slopes, and I'm worried that I may soon come in contact with an upward slope. Climb the road. Time is 11:45. 3 hours of cycling done, and distance covered is 40 kilometers. 20 kilometers more to go for Ponnani. That is supposed to be my stop, but it's just 12, so I may stretch. Lunchtime in Tirur. Just to give you a context, this here is Goa, this is Kanyakumari, and we are here. So 65% I would say is over, 35 something to go, and so this is Tirur, where we are at now, and was having lunch. The time is 2 o'clock and we have crossed Ruba Residency, where we plan to stay for the night. I'm still at Ponnani, but the place to stay is gone. 26 kilometers from here is the Chavakad area. Another famous area is called over there is Guruvayur. Very famous place. It's famous for the temple, by the way. So I will be going to Chavakad for sure, and if possible I may stretch to Triprayar, which is again another 20 odd kilometers from Chavakad. If I do Triprayar, I'll be completing 100 kilometers plus today. So this is soda sarbat, which is made by mixing lemon, sugar syrup and soda. Quite refreshing and tasty. Must try when you're in Kerala. The time is 3 o'clock and 80 kilometers have been completed. In another 5 kilometers there is a hotel that is coming up where I am thinking to stay, but I also see that the road is straight and flat mostly, and the other hotel, Hotel Dreamland, it's now the Dream, is 25 kilometers from here, which can be reached in 2 hours. That means by 5 I can reach there. So mostly I'll push to Hotel Dreamland in Triprayar. 10 kilometers more to go to reach the hotel, and it's time for another round of soda sarbat. Cycled 105 kilometers and we are in Hotel Dreamland, which was a dream for the day. Nice hotel. So yeah, we reached Triprayar, which I wanted to reach, and yeah, let's have a quick room tour. Quick room tour. Tags, floor plan, rack to keep bags. Here the cupboard with an iron. Nice. Another area for longer clothes with a safe, and this is how the bathroom looks. So if you slide it open, you get in. Here a toilet with an assist, that's me. This is basin, you have a bucket and mug, you have the hand spray thing, and you also have the shower, and you have a stool to sit. I think that's what it's used for. Pop. You have a hair dryer as well over here, and conditioner, shampoo, moisturizer, bath gel, soap, shower cap, glass to drink something or gargle, towels. This is the main room, main area. Twin beds, a 40-42-inch TV, a mini fridge, bin, electric kettle with all the things to make coffee, tea. Water bottle is only 750 ml, which is a drawback. And a cute looking chair. It slides very easily. There's no wheel, but it slides. Beautiful. Next, coming to this area, which I don't know what it is. It's stone and it has velvet on it. Maybe to, I have no idea, to sit and work because there's a charging point. The curtains. Okay. Okay, the view is not that good, but alright. Impressive. So, actually, you need to have such amenities and facilities in your room to get stars. You know, you just, any hotel doesn't just get stars. They have to be certified. There's a whole body who certifies, comes and checks your hotel, probably stays, and then gives you the stars. So, you saw the iron, the hair dryer, mini fridge, lot of things. Maybe this is 3-star, max 4. I don't think it's 4, 3. So this is how a 3-star hotel room looks like. And they also need to have mandatory restaurant and parking and certain other facilities. So yeah. Anyways, today's day was good. I actually thought I'll get a lot of climbs and a little tough. It was tough in the start, but then we moved on and the roads were flat, and we came, today's target was 60 kilometers. From 60 we came to 105 kilometers. The best part, there's only 350 kilometers, 349 kilometers, 350 kilometers remaining for Kanyakumari, which maybe we can stretch and reach in 3 days, but I may take 4 days or maybe an extra 5. So in 3 to 5 days, our journey should be over. Okay, anyways, the same thing I have to actually upload the previous day's video. Today I was getting late, so I didn't upload. I have to upload to wash clothes. Washing clothes is, yesterday the bathroom didn't have a bucket and a mug, which usually star hotel don't have, but this one has. Good. So I have to wash clothes. Actually I have to wash a lot of clothes. So yeah, today things will get late, so bye.